Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So, without any further ado, let's get to it. Guys, today we're looking at Capital Bulls ZA. It says here we are a trading community on Discord. Join the elite for 1250, and I think it's worth the money for the type of services that they provide. Unlike others that charge you double the amount, but you don't even get your return on your investment. Any case, here we go. You got a mentorship program. You can check out Signals as well. You got little Wayne over there. This is your private trading masterclass as well. Now, they've got a very nice Discord layout over here. So the first thing that we're going to look at, they've got a poll over here that they send out where people can actually vote whether it's cuck or whether it's good. And you'd be able to keep track and see whether it's worth your money or not. I will leave a link in the comment section below for you guys to go and check out the free group and see if it's worth parting with your money. So let's get to the signals straight away, right? So we're out here looking for the month of June, and they only trade two things, right? Which is the German 30 index, and they trade the Dow Jones, right? So we're going to do the Dow Jones and the German 30 index as it has been received here, right? So let's get to it, guys, right? So that was the first signal over here. You can see here, fresh month. What I am going to do is we are going to do German 30 only, and then we're going to go US 30 only, right? So you can see these signals are being sent. And I'm not going to click through, click. No. So let's do this, right? So the first signal over here, it got sent. There you can see 12:45, June the 3rd, and that was sent right there on a 5-minute time frame, right? We had a breaker structure retest. This is the 50-minute. I've actually delved down on the 5-minute already. So so we had that slight pullback. That was the TP1 allocated over there at 18,575, which you can see there. I've marked it at 18,575. We had a pullback, and that was a break-even trade, right? So we move a stop loss to break even, buy Dow Jones. Like I said, we're gonna take a look at Dow Jones trades. There it says TP8. I'm not sure if it's referring to that trade, but according to what I've seen, that was a break-even trade, right? Sell German 30. This was a beautiful execution over here. This trade went straight into hit that TP1 for 2.58%, right? Then we continue further. DEX TP8, we can see that one. Then we're going to talk about that Dow Jones trades. There was a bound German 30 on the 5th of June, which was right here, right? That was on the 5th of June at about 9, right? Now, this was basically, this was a beautiful execution, right? Where that move to the downside, right? Where the stop loss was triggered. Now, someone might come and correct me on this. I don't know. 18,599. I can only speak about what I see. 18,599. And you will notice on this 4-hour candle there, you can see there, that's where that stop was triggered. Because if you see there, you'll see that candle never spiked down the first time, right? Any case, we move. There it says DEX hit TP. You understand what I'm saying? So maybe we can get an explanation on that. I don't know. Let's move. Sell German 30, June the 6th over there. And this was this one over here. I believe this was a break-even trade. We'll see now. Eyes on DEX seem a lot hot. Do not increase the risk. SL just missed. That stop loss got hit over there. And then we move. Final attempt to DEX. There was another sell at 9.55, which was there. And that was a beautiful trade for 5.34%. And the TP1 was 3.45%. And that is why I say this is actually worth the money. Because the TPs, they normally 3 times the size of the SL, but there's obviously things that you need to consider, like spreads, fees and all of that stuff. Any case, that TP got hit, DEX TP hit, there we go. Sell on the Dow Jones. Dow slightly, okay, we're not here to talk about that now. And then on June the 7th over there, we had another trade over here. There, that stop loss got hit on Dow Jones, not once, but twice. There you can see SL hit, they bought again, and that stop loss got hit as well. See? Any case, so we move on further, and we are going to go, so sell VIX 75. So I don't have the the charts for VIX 75. So we're gonna go through this screenshots over here. There you can see VIX down. They had moved. They had pulled back. That stop got triggered over there. So that is why I say, and then it just continued to melt to the downside thereafter, right? Let's continue here. Sell German 30 on the 10th of June, which was there, if I'm correct. That was a sell limit order that never got filled. There you can see DAX down, ran off a little earlier, lower markets. Okay. Let's go. Sell Dow Jones again on the 10th. We had which one was this? I think this might have been a sell into break even. Just give me, oh no, sorry, that's Dow Jones. Okay, you see, I'm not get so confused with DAX and Dow Jones. Any case, June the 11th, buy German 30, June 11th. I think this year, yeah, this was a stop loss trade that got triggered. There you can see slightly stopped with DAX. Then there was a sell. That take profit was triggered for 2.58%. So you guys can kind of get an idea of where you're going with these signals, right? I think the overall percentage gain for June is looking quite good. And I think that one thing I would really do if I was in this position is I would just maybe tone down on the amount of signals that I send, because it's good to make 3% for the day. Excuse me. You really don't need to take 20 trades. Any case, we're going to go and buy the German 30 on the 12th of June. And I would assume, right? I would just assume that stop loss got triggered. If you don't see it, basically relying on the setup, little confused with DAX. But still holding these levels, DAX TP. So that TP, that take profit was actually triggered, right? That's my bad. I can't seem to have think how I missed it, because I think I might have plotted on what you call it on Dow Jones, right? But in any case, so we got a confirmation over here, 846 on the 12th. That we indeed had a take profit that got triggered. Move SL to break even, leave runners. Yeah, okay, cool. So that TP got hit over there, as you can see. There we go, right? Boom, straight to the upside there. PAL movement, this one here. Yeah. No, that's good. Okay, let's continue, guys. SL here. Okay, we're gonna get there. This sell on German 30 was also another beautiful sell for 2.17%. So that is why I say this group is good value for money. And this is not, again, it's not a recommendation, right? You must always be careful when you make decisions before purchasing any of these signal services. Make sure that you do your own research and you'd sit there with a pen and you take note of the percentage gains and how the signals operates, because I show you guys everything just to be more transparent, so that you guys don't come and say, but why didn't you show us this? So verstaan julle nou. Here we go. So on June the 14th, we had this trade that you'll see over here. The stop loss got triggered over there. There you can see stop loss got hit on DAX. Then this was a break-even trade that got sent on the 17th on DAX as well. Yeah, before we get there, there was a final attempt on DAX, which I think slightly came to our SL. But if you yeah, so this was another stop that got hit. Sorry, yeah. So that stop got taken out. But if you're still in SL into break-even, right? So. Yeah, Friday madness. I'm not looking, take profits as they come. There was another VIX 75 that went perfectly as anticipated. There you can see. There you can basically see there, right? So if you do trade VIX, VIXella and all of that stuff, you can find some of that here as well. Okay, let's go. June the 17th. This is the one I was referring to earlier. Buy German 30. break even your trade, market in our favor. So this is basically the BE trade, right? We had a U-turn in the market. We closed to TP, and there was no update after that one. After this one, once again, you can see that it did come close to TP. The next candle was a red candle, and that market just plummeted to the downside, right? There was a Dow Jones trades. We're gonna get to Dow Jones, Dow Jones, and then there was a sell on. This was a very good sell actually. This was a sell limit. That TP got hit as well. 1.63. I just want to make sure. 18,200, 18,200. Stop loss 18,270. There we go. Take profit 18,086. Yep, that's it. So we got about 1.63 over there. Here we had two signals. One stop got triggered. The next one was a TP that got hit. So let's get there, right? TP hit on DEX. That's what we know had taken place. We're going to go further down, right? There was a Bitcoin trade. Then here we go. Sell 730 on the 19th, which was the first one there, right? Then there was another sell. Right, the SLE, the first one, and then the next one, the TP had gone straight to hit. Boom, sagalaga. Text did come to TP. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So, any case, then we had a double SLE on the next two trades that got taken. On the 730, here we go. The 20th, which was, yep, you'll see now. Stop loss hit, and then again stop loss hit. So the one thing I've seen with traders that send signals is that whenever they lose a trade, there's this high tendency of wanting to go back in again. That's why I say you need to just tone down a little bit more on the amount of trades that are taken, right? Let me move this down. SL, let's go. Like I said, I'm going to cover the Dow Jones after I'm done doing this, right? Because I don't want to click between the two the whole time. Gaan soek for trades. Okay, by German 30, June 21st, we are going to go. This was a B trade, right? There we go. Setup was to buy, SL into break even. There, I'm out at break even. See, Sinzai, yeah. Okay, and that concludes that for Dow Jones, right? Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the Dow Jones, right? And there's not a lot for Dow Jones, so. The only reason why I did that is because I don't like to, well, not, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Ooh. Okay, let's mark these up, these guys up very quickly, right? They boom, zaga laga laga, boom, zaga laga laga, boom, boom. Whoa. Here we go. Okay, so let's go to Dow Jones. Buy the Dow Jones on the 3rd of June, which was this one over here, right? Beautiful execution, right? The stops got moved to break even. So here we have 1, 2, 3 trades on the Dow Jones, right? This one never got to TP, right? Unless you were swinging this even so. Beautiful trade, and yeah, you know. So that was the next two trades, right? So we're gonna go to Dow 300 points up, sell the German 30 index. Let's go buy Dow Jones on the 4th of June, which is that one there. Another, it's these executions, they are done so well. If I have to, TP1 hit on the Dow Jones, and we had another one on the 5th of June, on the 4th of June, and then there was one on the 5th of June, right? By 5th of June, here we go, right there. Beautiful trade. There we go. 3.26% was closed over there. Then we moved over to the 6th of June. Dow Jones approaching TP. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sell Dow Jones over there, you can see. And that was the sell there. That stop got triggered over there. That stop got triggered. Dow looks like it wants to sort. Is sell into break even. So this is this there. Okay, 38840, which was 388. No man, where am I now? Okay, the 6 at 4, 6 at 4. My eyes can't do this anymore. 6 at 4. I know it was this one. No, it wasn't that one. See, I like things to be just very, very whoosh, straight on there. So this was the 6th, the 7th. Let's just move to the 7th. Because I don't know. I can't see if I can see even right. Yes, like if there's, that's why I like to just screenshot the signals, because I don't like to scroll. You have to scroll through so many so many things. You have to scroll. Okay, finally, there we go. So this was that one over here. This was a break-even trade at Alpha 2. There you can see Alpha 2, and that was not how I anticipated it to go, right? US 30 from entry, Dow Jones odd set SL to BE, and that's it, right? So there you gotta sell on VIX 75. Another good. Okay, well I've already covered that one on on the decks. Let's go to Dow Jones once again on the 10th of June. Dow Jones, yeah, massive, beautiful trade there, 4.87%, right? That was a sell limit that went there, got hit, and boom, I just went boom, bam, done. Okay, so let's go. Wait, what's this? SL into break even. Oh, yeah, I think this is why I made this over here. Sorry, guys. So this was actually a break even trade because we actually pulled back. And that update was sent where we are now. There, 4:55 a.m., 5 p.m. for wait, but was this also on the same day actually? Okay, so I think it was sent on the same day. I think I'm seeing doubles over here, right? So let's go Dow Jones to sell, right? So we're gonna 354 on the 10th. Daily 50-minute UTC +2, right? So same time zone, same everything. So here we go. We've got 38885, right? 38882. Okay, stop loss 38940. Yep. Target we have 38604. This order got filled there, unless again. So if we take the lower price, right? So yeah, I don't know how I saw this really. I'm even confused myself. according to here, right? So according to this here, can you see what I'm saying? That's where the price was, right? That is where SL into break even. Okay, so I'm just gonna go off what I followed because I think this one got entered earlier before that price even got full. But in any case, this is what I got, right? Entered there, and we had that dump, but we're gonna call this a break even because if it was filled as per normal, then that would have been in there, right? So I'm just following the prices that's here in front of me. Let's go TP it on. And this is what I was saying there. So now we have that one. See, now we've got this one that I was looking at. Any case, guys, let me stay focused. Focus on Ocus. Okay, cool. Let's go. We buy Dow Jones on the 12th of June. Yeah, 12th of June. This was a stop loss that got hit. There we go. Stop loss hit on the Dow. What was this? This was a when was this sent? Opus 9, 18th of June. Okay, they're gonna scroll through this and get to the next Dow trade. Ooh. Cool. Here we go. There we go. TP Tondex. Buy Dow Jones. Finally. There we go. So that was a buy. That buy went nice there. We had a sideways move. SL to break even. Right? That was a break even trade there. We got into break even. Then Dow Jones became a sell later on in the day. There we go. Sell the Dow Jones. That trade also found support there. And this trade also became a break-even trade, right? There you can see SL to break even, and then the market pulled back on there as well. Now we're going to go to the 20th of June, where we have seen, there we go, 20th of June, we could still be in swords. This stop got, yep. There we have two stops that got triggered there. SL Dow, so another buy. SL into break even, out at break even. One buy and one break even trade, right? Let's go. I think that also seeming Dow swing unlucky. The signal ended up playing out. Dow TP, however traded. Yeah, that's if you kind of held through that DEX amount. Dow holding by Dow Jones. I think this was sent. What one was this? Let's see. SL into break even. Coming profit. Let's run to TP. Dow ended up slightly ranging above the order. And that's it. So I'll probably give you guys an update on that trade. But that kind of concludes this, right? So for me, I would say, it's got a good TP1, firstly. TP1 is about 2 to 3%, so that's good. But the overall result is still good, because you'd probably make some good money off this. But you have to be, once again, you need to understand how this works also, right, into the market between this price and then that price. Also, I think they could just do with a little less signals and a little less, I think if you're in the group, all of these messages won't bother you. But for me, who goes through it, and this, I guess, is not about me. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will leave a link to the free group. You can check them out. I think they're worth checking out for yourself. And you guys can go and check them out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time, and as always, cheers.